Avast, how to prevent WebRTC leak on browser. WebRTC is a feature that various browsers such as Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox apply because it supports B2B applications such as voice calling, video chat, and P2P file sharing without the need for plugins. In Windows, Mac OS, and Android systems, this feature potentially enables IP addresses to be visible even when you are connected to a VPN such as Avast Secure Line VPN. Avast is actively looking for a solution to this issue. In the meantime, protect your privacy by blocking or disabling WebRTC. You can also avoid this vulnerability by using a browser which does not apply WebRTC, such as Safari or Internet Explorer. For more details, refer to the following article, Preventing IP Leak Issue Related to WebRTC, later.